getting closer.
Well, I'm doing a mock-up, and of course this silly little 5-horse Suzuki will not start. Damn, I wish I had the money to buy a new kicker motor. Okay, the bottom sluice box right there is about 8 degrees. That top one's at about 13 degrees right there. That's what I figure it's going to take. Here, let's go ahead and kick this back. So the entire top of the box all the way down to right here, so that's 4 feet, is the commercial Yukon mat with 4-pound expanded over top of it. And river hog, river hog, river hog, river hog, river hog, all of them cut. Okay, now I've got my choice of what I want to do next. I've got some different mats here. I got some razorback and some mud mat. I can probably go at least 2 pieces. Actually, I'm probably going to take 3 pieces, but so it's going to be either razorback or mud mat. Then it goes into bedrock, Yukon by itself, mother lode, Talon, bedrock, bedrock, and then that piece right there is a completely trimmed down river hog. I've still got to figure out how I want to bracket this up. I'm probably just going to take and just build a stiff arm across that sucker, you know, basically like that, across there, just a brace. That way, if I slide it this way, it'll lower the angle. If I slide it that way, it'll raise the angle. And this, I'm not sure whether I'm going to stay with this or not. I'm probably going to build this adjustable. Just haven't figured out how I want to build it adjustable yet, without it being too flimsy up in the air. Right now, that's pretty damn solid, but I can't really drop it down much at 13 degrees. But also, I want that to be exchanging pretty hard, so that really spinning that sand, I want that sand to really spin and clean itself off, so hopefully the gold will get unstuck from the the non-gold material. So we're gonna give it a try. I'm probably gonna take that dampener off of it too. I want to be able to naturally look into it all the time without that dampener in the way. I can always put it on later. And I'll be using the 4-inch system. It'll be a 4-inch nozzle over there. Other than that, that's what's going on. Coming along. Hope to be able to use it this weekend.